Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to this episode of Ask Michael. Today's question is coming from Svetlana. That is so complex. Svetlana. Yes, Svetlana. I'm trying my best to say it correctly. I apologize if I say it wrongly. And Svetlana is coming from Yeah, come on, man. Svetlana is from Moscow. Cool. Yeah. And her question is, "Hi, Michael. Tell me please how to effectively learn new words." Yeah. We could paraphrase that sentence to sound more. Let's assume you're writing this to you want to be a bit more formal. You could say, "Could you please tell me how to learn new words more effectively?" Yeah, that would be a better way to put it. Yeah. Could you please, or could you tell me how to effectively learn new words? That's a better way to put the question. Yeah. Now, learning new words, it's not that hard. The only problem I see the only mistake I see people make is that they only learn the definitions of these new words and then they stop there. So they pick the word, they come across a word or they pick a new word and they just look at the definitions and then they stop there. But you have to understand that is not sufficient. That can only take you so far. Now the thing is this, you have to understand that when you learn a new word, you have to see, apart from the definition, you also have to look at how the word combines with other words. That is very important, man. This is where the real work is. This is what is going to give you that experience you need for effective communication. Yeah. Now let's take a simple word. Let's take a simple word as to work. Yeah.
New word detected.
Oh, you're going to explain that too?
Shut up and let me explain. Work. Activity involving mental or physical effort.
Yeah, thank you very much for the extra assistance. So, the simple word to work. Now, you've heard the definition. Now, if you just look at the definition and you ignore how it combines with other words, using it effectively would be an issue, would be a problem. Now, to work, if you combine that with, let's say, with other prepositions, this is another problem people have. Yeah, how to use prepositions correctly. That's like a pain in the ass in English. Maybe in any other language, actually. It's been like that for me in the Russian language too, how to understand the prepositions correctly. But yeah, I'm getting there. So if you combine this word to work, this verb to work, with other, let's say, prepositions, for example, you can have work on, work in, work for, work with, work by, work through, work over, and the list goes on and on and on and on. You see? Now, when you just learn the word and you don't see how it combines with other words or prepositions, it becomes a problem when you have to use it. You only remember the definition, but you don't know how to use it effectively. So if you want to remember these words longer, you want to use them more effectively, you have to see how they combine with other words. This is what you call effective learning. This is going to help you remember them longer even. So pick a word, or you come across a word, look at the definition and see how it combines with other words, verbs, nouns, prepositions, and so on and so forth. So, in summary, what I'm trying to say is this. When you learn a new word, it is very important to see how it combines, or to at least experience how it combines with other words. This way, you are bound to remember them longer. So, for any of you if you've learned a new word recently, or words recently, you can put some example sentences using those words. Combine them and put them in the comment section. We'd like to see them. You could be helping someone out. So that's that for this episode of Ask Michael. See you in the next one.